Today I want to talk to you about how to make the most of the meetings with your child's teachers, counselors, and therapists. You may wonder how these professionals know or work with your child and what they can offer you as a parent. Here are some tips to help you prepare and participate in this meeting. First, ask questions about your child's strengths, interests, and goals. What do they enjoy doing? What are they good at? What do they want to achieve? This will help you understand your child's perspective and motivation and also show that you value their individuality and potential. Second, share your observations, concerns, and expectations. What have you noticed about your child's behavior, mood, or learning? What are you worried about? What do you hope for? This will help you communicate your needs and priorities and also show that you care about your child's well-being and success. Third, listen to their feedback, suggestions, and recommendations. What do they think about your child's progress, challenges, and needs? What do they suggest you do to support your child at home or school? What do they recommend for your child's next steps or goals? This will help you learn more from the expertise and experience and also show that you respect their opinions and insights. Fourth, collaborate on a plan that supports your child's learning and well-being. How can you work together to help your child overcome difficulties, develop skills, and pursue interests? What are the specific action strategies or resources that you can use? What are the expected outcomes, timelines, or measures of success? This will help you create a clear and realistic plan and also show that you are committed to your child's growth and happiness. Remember, you are the expert on your child and they are the experts on their field. Together, you can help your child thrive. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to follow me for more tips on parenting and child development. Thank you for watching and see you next time.